Welcome to Motivational Monday. Today I want to tell you a story, guys. It kind of outlines where we are today, the struggles we face as humans, as people, the struggles we face to be better than we are. I recently did some training for a dealership. The whole dealership was the service guys, the office gals, the office guys, the salespeople, the managers, just everybody was in there. And we really were talking about this interdependence, right, between departments and how all of us, just like the parts of our body, all of us depend on each other, don't we, for our job, right? Now, there was two major messages in here, and one of them was, be the change you want to see. Everybody attributes that to Gandhi. He didn't actually say it that way, but be the change you want to see. And the other one was examine all people, most of all what? Yourself, right? So what was the message here? If you want things to be better, who's responsible? Take responsibility. We talked about that everybody is a leader in their own right, and you don't have to lead the way you've been led. Take responsibility. Okay, now I also covered some practical advice. I covered practical advice that would say interdepartmental, that I would say to somebody, thanks so much, man, I appreciate you. I can help you with that. Thanks so much, I appreciate you. Those are a couple of the techniques we talked about. Showing appreciation for one another, or that love, is a great way to build the team culture, right? The culture of excellence that rolls throughout the team, that interdependence. Now, after that training, a couple weeks after, I had somebody come up to me and catch me in the hall, not somebody in the sales department, somebody in a different department, says, hey, that was the first time I've ever heard your spiel, and it was really good, but, right? He called it a spiel, and then he told me, but. He said, this thank you and I appreciate you is crap. I'm tired of hearing it from people when they don't mean it. If they really appreciated me, they would do their job right. That's what he went on to say, right? And then he went on to tell me, have you read the 5 love languages? And he, of course, he professed to be a kind of a scholar of this book. And I said, yes, I've read it. He says, you should be training that because these people would know that my love language is this. That serves that they would do their job right. And of course, I smiled and I thanked him for his advice, and he went on, and I smiled, and I thanked him for the tip, and I told him I would definitely work those 5 love languages in, although we do it inadvertently. Maybe I'll do it even more just right out there, right, and say, these are the 5 love languages. Anyway, and towards the end of his thing, of course, he recanted, saying, it was really good, I appreciated all that stuff, right? He kind of realized that he was being nitpicky. But as I walked away, guys, what was on my mind? What was on my mind was this. He missed the entire point of the presentation. If I wanted to really get him to realize that, I could have turned him and said, what is her love language? You're talking about what your love language is and what she doesn't do. My question is, what is her love language and what can you do better? I didn't do that. I didn't want to put him on the spot. There were people around. I didn't want to make him feel bad. But really, isn't that the question? Examine all men, but what? Most of all yourself, and be the change that you want to see. Don't expect others to change if you're unwilling, right? Guys, today, here's the message. All of us struggle with this, guys, right? This person brought this to light, but it isn't his problem alone. It's all of our problems. We all like to, we want to pick that speck out of somebody else's eye with the log in our own. That's been going on for 2,000 years, right? And so we know that this is a human condition, but guys, we can be better than that. We can be better today than we were yesterday, and one of the ways is in our 15 minutes of self-improvement every day when we sit down, we can sit down and think about yesterday. What did we do well? What we like to improve? And who do we want to be today? Do we want to be that person that makes that positive change and that person who is a benefit to others? If so, guys, you know how to do it. Get out there and do it and have an awesome week, okay?